Hey, good morning guys. Hope you guys are fine. Okay, cool. So guys, this is what it is here. I'm just gonna show you one strategy. I saw another comment, someone was commenting and saying stuff, it's okay, I don't mind about that. Actually, if that comment, that someone would know how much you make with UK Foot 9, you wouldn't even, actually, he was going to be shocked. You know, sometimes if other people win and then you fail, it's not a problem. It means that maybe you still have to practice your art or your craft, I can say. You know, because someone will be like, yo, you do me what? You don't even know me personally. You know, I'm a gambler. I make money with gambling. I play the numbers, then I boom. That's it. You understand? So sometimes when you comment, instead of if ever like let me say you feel like, you know, I don't know how to do this, just ask in the comment, or you just inbox me and ask, coach, how did you do that code and stuff? You understand? It's all about helping each other here. So guys, these days I'm not so, like me say, I'm not so busy with YouTube. I'm busy with other stuffs, you know. So sometimes if you see me not posting, always post on the community section. In case I did not upload a video, you just check on the community section, those who are not in the group. You understand? So I'm just going to show you one strategy that is still working and is making wonders. There's this other book that I wrote with Coach Puma, the Lotto Edge. This strategy is there in the Lotto Edge. Those who have it, go back. I don't know which page was it, but if you go there and check, you will find that there's this strategy. It's a simple strategy. We're just going to use the bonuses to create numbers. So what you do, you take the last draw and then you predict the coming one. For example, you take the lunch draw and then you take this 22. You say times 87. 87 is the formula that I use to break to create the code. Are we together? So we're going to say 87 times 22, which is going to give you the numbers for UK. Let's go to the calculator and see if we can't make it. Yeah, guys, it's been a while. Okay, cool. So it's 22 times 87. You get 1914, which means this number, even today, is going to come because of the bonuses were repeated. So let's go and check. We say it here, 22 bonus times 87, which is going to give us what? A 1914. 1914. So 1914, definitely, it gives us two bangers, which is 1914. So as you can see, there's 4, there's 11, there's 19, which is 3 numbers. So remember now, because the bonus is repeated yesterday, it means we're still going to use this same code 1914. But be careful, yeah guys, because you know UK Foot 9, what they do, they split the numbers and they also spin numbers. So 1914 is the code for today. It's going to say there's 19 there, there's 9, there's 16, there's 14 or 41. Why? Because you know they spin these numbers and they also split, and then there's a 1 as well. You see that, guys? It's just a simple thing. So yeah, that's what it is. I recommend you guys to get the books and have knowledge than to keep on every day. Let me just go and watch who and who. Learn this thing for yourself and play those numbers and win. It's easy and straightforward. There's nothing that you just have to be like, you know, you just have to stress. So yeah guys, anyway, we're approaching December now. We need to start playing 4, 5 numbers. Me, actually, I don't play 2 numbers anymore, and I don't play with 1 rand. I play with 10 rand, so that when you boom, you know exactly it's profitable, because it doesn't help you to play with 1 rand. You get 50 rand. You take that 50 rand, you buy a voucher, then you go back and lose. Rather play with it. If you don't have money, don't play. But if you have a budget, let me just say, you tell yourself like, this week my budget is 250 for playing the numbers. You buy yourself voucher for 250. With that 250, what you can do, you play 3 numbers with 5 rand, 3 numbers with 10 rand. It's profitable, because once you win, you know that your money comes back in bulk. But if you play with 1 rand, definitely you will win money for voucher, which you either way put it back, you see. But I'm so happy, guys, as I promised you that Betway will be available in different kind of bets. Now they call it classic in some other bets. they call it early lunch, things like that. So now we are having a chance of playing Betway in each and every, I don't know, it depends on the countries, but in some countries like South Africa, you can find Betway in, you know, in different bets. So yeah guys, this was for today. Thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Cheers.